So hello guys, in this video, if you are looking forward for building out a job CV resume, you have basically come to a correct video. So in this video, I have built out a bunch of Word document PDF templates, Google Docs templates. So if you want this zip file, you can check the description link. It's around about the size is 28 megabytes. And once you purchase it, you will be redirected to Google Drive where you will actually open this zip file, extract it. And inside the templates folder, you will have the bunch of invoice templates for building resume, CV, everything. So this is actually, you will see all these are Word document files. All these are editable as well. Let me show you one resume template. So once you open it inside your Microsoft Word or any sort of software that you have, you can directly open it. The template, it's fully editable. So now once you open the resume template, you will basically able to edit anything such as the name, description of the number, address, everything, email address, the skills. So this is all. You can change the name here very easily. You will see that. So it will save you a lot of time here if you are building out a job resume, CV, anything. All this is are customizable. Then you can simply export this to a PDF as well. So once you select this option, export as PDF. So you can easily do this. So we have basically I have constructed all these templates directly for you. So you can see this is one such template for building out resume. So here you can replace the picture as well. You can replace it with your own picture as well. So if I show you, so you can select your own picture as well. So you can see that how easy it is. So once you can just replace, customize it, change the name as well. So this will save you a lot of time here, guys. You can see that each and everything is customizable. You will be able to change it. So you can basically purchase these templates. So once you purchase it, you will get this folder which will contain all the templates for you. You can customize it, just change it, all the elements here. And you can export this as you can see to PDF. So it's really simple. You will see that just select export and you can save it. So once you save it, you will basically see your template. The CV has been successfully exported to PDF as well. So once you open the Word document file, it will become easy for you to customize the job resume CV template and export this to PDF. So in this easy way, I basically have this for you. So this zip file is given in the description link. You can purchase it. Once you purchase it, it will automatically get downloaded. And once you open the templates, similarly, we also have the templates for invoice as well. So there will be this folder for invoice. So if you're looking forward for building out a invoice template for your company, you directly open the invoice template. Again, it's, as you can see, it's fully customizable. So this is all the, you can, let me show you all the invoice templates. This is again an invoice template. Here you can customize it. You will see that. So everything you can change here. This is the template here. So directly once you open, each template is customizable. So you can just see here how easy it is. You can add your items, the unit price, total, everything. You can customize it. You will see that, such as the name of the company, everything. You will see that. So these are all the templates. It will save you a lot of time. So I think it's around about 70 to 80 templates that I created specifically for you. So you no longer need to waste your time in creating the templates. Everything is customizable. So you basically, this is a cached receipt kind of a template, everything. And same, we also have the templates. If I show you specifically, the PDF templates as well. So this is actually a PDF template for constructing the invoice receipt. So here you specify the date, everything, you can customize it. So fully you can see that this is actually the PDF template. So here you will enter your name, the address, contact person, mobile number, everything. So these are all the form fields which are customizable. So this will save you a lot of time, guys, for constructing invoice, CV, job, resume, everything. So here inside this you will write. So this is actually the PDF template which is there. So this is actually the resignation letter. If you're writing it here, you will replace your name. So I have basically, this is all in one templates folder. It has templates for literally everything. This is actually a form based template. So here you have all these forms available. This is the certificate based template. So here you replace the name. So this is actually certificate for participation. So here you will replace the date. Here you will put your signature. So directly you can, after you make the changes, you can download the PDF or you can directly print the PDF as well. So this is the invoice template. As you can see here, you will replace the company name, street number, country name, phone number, everything, vendor name, buyer name. So these are all the fields which are there. So here you will replace the actual values, as you can see that. This will save you a lot of time, guys, because many a times you do need to construct these job resume invoice templates. So, so these are all the templates you will get after you make the payment. The link is given in the description. You can directly purchase it. If you still face any issues after the payment, you can definitely contact me. I will definitely help you. So these are all the templates specifically created for you. So these are the CV templates that I showed you early on for constructing your job resume. So these are all the templates. Here you will replace your picture. You can replace the name, email address, phone number. So here you will edit all these details, replace it with your own details as well. So everything is customizable. So it's very easy. So here you will replace your picture as well. So I showed you earlier on how to do this. Simply open it inside Google Docs, Word, Microsoft Word. Simply edit all these details and construct your job resume very easily. So these are all the templates here. So these are around about 50 to 60 templates are there, different templates. So as you can see, this is another job resume based template. Here you will replace. So the use cases are endless. You can also make an application as well, generator, resume builder. By using these templates, once you purchase it, you can also sell to freelancer students as well. So once you purchase, you will get all the purchasing power. This is another template here. You will see that you can change color, customize it, background color, everything you can change. Once you open it, you will see how easy it is. Once you change background color, everything, you can do this. So you can see it's really easy to customize the look and feel of the. So in a matter of seconds, you can make different kinds of job resume templates. So the link is given. You can purchase it. So this is another template here. So I basically constructed a lot of templates, different kinds of with different UI designs. So once you make the payment, you will get basically get this entire templates folder, which will contain different templates for job, resume, invoice, everything. So these are all the templates. You can just see here. This is another template here. So again, you here you will replace. Simply select, replace it with your own picture, change the name, everything. You can see that. So it's really simple, guys. Open it inside your Microsoft Word, Google Doc, or anything. So these are all the templates which are there. So no need to search on internet for templates. A ready-made destination for you. So I constructed this templates folder and I wanted to sell this to you. So if you are interested in this, you can purchase it. So these are all the templates here. As you can see, we are opening it. So quite a number of templates, PDF, Word document. So you can see that. So this is for resignation letter. This is for generating receipts or invoices. So here you will replace the customer name, total amount, order date, delivery date, everything. These are different forms, as you can see that. So this is again an invoice template here. All these details you can customize it, add the items. So if you're interested guys in this, the link is given in the description. So these are all the templates, about 70 to 80 templates you will get. Once you purchase it, you will get this entire folder, 28 megabytes is the size. So definitely check this out. The link is given in the description.